Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. We have to solve this quiz using palm dance and word math method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 42, B is 36, C is 38 and D is 40. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given arithmetic expression. As you can see, there are two rules we will discuss here, what math and PAMDAS, which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 2 is you have to see the order or exponent part in your expression and you have to solve this part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to see division and multiplication. So one by one, what will you do? You go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. One more thing is division and multiplication has similar precedence. So you can solve any of them which is coming first. If multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication part first. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. Similarly, for addition or subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we do not have any bracket. According to the word mass and PAMDAS rule, first of all, you have to solve the bracket or you can say parenthesis. See, in our expression, we do not have any parenthesis or bracket. So, we will skip this step. Now, step number 2 is basically you have to solve the exponent part. In our expression, we do not have any exponent part. Now, step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication or division. You cannot say I'm using the word mass, so I will solve division first. Or someone says I will PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication. No. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming first. So first of all, we have the multiplication. So we will solve this one. 9 multiplied by 4. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27 and 9 4 the 36. We will write 36. And this part I am writing right now as it is because I will solve each step in each line. So 9 multiplied by 4 equals to 36. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out division or multiplication. So now we have the division. So we will solve this one. 36 minus 2 and plus 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. And here we will give the reference 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Now again we have to go left to right and we have solved all division and multiplication. So we will solve addition and subtraction. So what we will do, first we have the subtraction. So we will solve this one. 36 minus 2 which is equals to 34 and plus 2 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference like 36 minus 2 equals to 34. Now we have two terms which are adding each other and we will add both of them. So we will get answer 36. So the answer of the given expression is 36. B is the correct answer. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye.